Damn, son, where's your money
This is fit nigga, I will hit you. If he talking shit, bitch, I will diss you. No one will get you. Bitches wanna kiss you.
Turn that one more.
Looking at me, dog, this is shit. Back to the bone. I'm in Texas right now, that's my home. So I stay up in the truck with all these bitches that be looking at these haters got me looking for a fake nigga. And these bitches, they be tricking, and these niggas, they be licking on my shit and on my swag. Y'all some fake niggas.
I've been sitting sideways on that one way. Been coming through, been shining on a Sunday. I do it to the next Sunday, it's a fun day. You see how I got your bitch on the one way. I do this shit every day and I don't fucking care. I smoke like a motherfucker, need the fucking atmosphere up in the air. I'm coasting in that fucking two-seater. Now I'm lying, I'm in that four-seater with the motherfucking photos.
I'm looking back at you. Niggas talking shit, talking about they bad news. But how you bad news when you bad ain't new? Nigga, this is who? Real up on the beat. Coming down the block, got them J's up on my feet. Yes, I do this every week. Smoking on my weed just to keep my mind at ease. Nigga.
Hey, keep my mind at ease. I'm steady puffing trees. Need the fucking OZ. Been holding the whole key. Sell it for the cookie. You niggas talking simple. If you talking like the Glock and I pop you like a pimple, let me really slow it down. I need a colder pine. Need to get up on my ground. My trap been bucking out the pines. Motherfuckers serving all they been getting it out the highway and we give it to my nigga and we switch it. Get it your way. Hey, we said it's serving up. We said it's serving up.
In my truck, nigga, call that big shining. Me getting money, this is big grinding. Looking at my fucking eyes, I'm grinding. Yes, I'm grinding. Looking at the stars, so I look up at the sky, cause I'ma go far. Don't give a fuck who you are. I'ma be me. That's what my motherfucking OGs told me.
OGs told me, get it if you low key. Niggas get anything you want to sell for free. Now, just telling you how to get it for a bargain. Been getting it for the low. Young nigga been doing it starving. Motherfucking gotta grind. Every day I write my rhymes and every day I got the education power. I'm in line. Been motherfucking focused. These niggas, they reloaded. I've been overloaded, overdosing on that shit for showing out. Don't give a fuck about no nigga from the south. I'm repping that. Coming through and niggas talking shit, but I'm stepping all up on it. Ah. Hey, hey, word.
Automatic TKO. When my niggas hit the dough, rushing up, they throwing bows. Fucking blood on my chavos. Beat the blocks to looking clean. Just like Joe because I mean, this niggas be talking street. This nigga is real niggas up on my team. Mix them up like chemistry. Black and blue, can you believe? He look like a prophecy. When his hands go, I won't stop. Like a firecracker, I will pop. His head, I will drop. Got his man looking like,
oh, going crazy, going loco. All my niggas rapping and we hiding from the popo. We just chilling out, y'all.